Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Penn National Insurance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have your subscription information ready. Visit the official Penn National Insurance website. Locate the login or customer portal option on the homepage. Click on it to access the login screen. If you are a new user, find the register or sign up option. Click on this to start the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your policy number and personal details. Create a secure username and password for your account. After completing the form, click the Submit button to create your account. Once your account is created, log in using your new credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to explore different options available to you. For policy management, choose the My Policies section. Review your current policy details carefully. If you need to make changes, click on the Edit or Manage option. Ensure that all updates are entered accurately. When finished, confirm the changes by clicking the Save button. To make a payment, locate the Payments section on the dashboard. Enter the amount you wish to pay along with your payment information. Select your preferred payment method, such as credit card or bank transfer. Click on the Submit Payment button to process the transaction. After payment, you will receive a confirmation message. To review claims, go to the Claims section on the dashboard. You can view the status of any current claims from this area. If you need to file a new claim, click on the File a Claim option. Follow the prompts to complete the claim submission process. For any additional assistance, use the Contact Us feature. You can reach out via email, phone, or online chat. Make sure to log out after completing your tasks for security reasons. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.